Home shoppers today are probably spending more time on their phone than ever before. So I shoot a lot of real estate video, and one common question I get asked is, how do I get this video up on Instagram? Now, while the video I'm using in this example is going to be a real estate video, this tutorial applies to any video you want to get on Instagram that's over 60 seconds, and unless you have a lot of followers, less than 15 minutes. So instead of posting just a regular video on Instagram, what we're going to do is going to be an IGTV video. This is different from Reels, which has recently come out, but this is the one way how to get a longer video up on Instagram. Before we get started, you're going to need two things. 1, a desktop computer, 2, the video file, and 3, a thumbnail. So I've got everything pulled up on my computer over here. Let's jump in real quick and go check it out. So on your computer, what you're gonna wanna do is pull up Instagram and click on your little face inside the circle over here in the upper right-hand corner. Click on profile, navigate to your profile. From here, in the middle, click on IGTV. This will show you all of the IGTV videos that are on your profile, and then also have an upload button over here as well. Go ahead and click the upload button. From here, click on the plus sign, grab the video off of your computer, and let it start uploading. Now, the other thing you're gonna wanna do is have a great cover, or as I said earlier, a thumbnail. To get your thumbnail in there, click edit, find the thumbnail, I have mine on my desktop, and click open. While this is still uploading, go ahead and type a title and a description. Now, it's super important that you click the button over here that says post a preview. If you click that button, what it's gonna do is it's gonna put the post inside of the Instagram feed for anybody to see it. If you don't click that button, the post is only gonna be shown to people from the Explore page, and then people who directly navigate to the IGTV tab on your profile. So, important, click that button. So once that's at 100% and you've got your description written out, review it real quick, make sure it's exactly what you want, and then go ahead and click on post. You'll probably see this window that says uploading the video. Give it a second to refresh, and then right there's the video. So back to the two important things, having the video on the desktop and then having a good thumbnail. Now when you're designing your thumbnail, make sure that you have something relevant in the square area. I tend to just use white on the top and bottom, sometimes put a little bit of extra text in there. The only reason the square matters is because what pops up on your profile is going to be what shows. You see that? Only the square shows. I click on IGTV, I get a little more of a description, but that square right there, very important to make sure you get that square correct, because that's your thumbnail on your feed, and that's about it. Thank you for watching this quick video. Probably a little bit longer tutorial than it needs to be, but yeah, if you have any questions about this, feel free to reach out. Also, if you're in the Orange County area and looking to get real estate photo, video, 3D tours, floor plans, or anything else to help you market a property, give me a call. I'm here to help you out.